Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium flagship robot cleaner packed with some of the most advanced smart cleaning features available right now. From its incredible 24,000 PA suction power to intelligent navigation and automatic hot water mop cleaning, this robot is designed to deliver a fully automated deep cleaning experience for modern homes. The first thing that immediately grabs attention is the insane 24,000 PA suction power. This is far beyond what most standard robot vacuums offer, and it makes a huge difference when cleaning carpets, pet hair, dust, crumbs, and larger debris. Whether you have hardwood floors, rugs, tiles, or thick carpets, the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete is built to handle heavy-duty cleaning with ease. One of the standout features is the Zero Tangling DuoBrush system. If you have pets or long hair in your home, you already know how frustrating tangled brushes can be. MOVA solves this problem with a specially engineered dual brush setup that reduces hair wrapping while maintaining strong debris pickup performance. This means less maintenance and more efficient cleaning over time. Another major upgrade is the impressive 2.28-inch obstacle overcoming capability. Most robot vacuums struggle with thresholds, rugs, or raised floor transitions, but the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete can climb over higher obstacles much more smoothly. This helps it move between rooms without constantly getting stuck or needing manual assistance. The advanced FlexiRise navigation system gives this robot highly intelligent movement and room mapping. Combined with obstacle detection, the vacuum can identify furniture, cables, shoes, and household objects while planning efficient cleaning routes. The smart navigation helps reduce missed spots and improves overall cleaning coverage throughout the home. For mopping performance, the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete takes automation to another level. The 176° Fahrenheit hot water self-cleaning system automatically washes the mop pads with high-temperature water to break down dirt and improve hygiene. After cleaning, the dock uses fast hot air drying to dry the mop pads quickly, reducing moisture buildup and odors. This creates a cleaner and more sanitary mopping system compared to traditional robot mops. The app control features are also extremely useful. You can customize cleaning schedules, assign room-specific cleaning, create virtual no-go zones, adjust suction and water levels, and monitor the cleaning process directly from your smartphone. It supports smart home convenience while keeping operation simple and user-friendly. Battery life is excellent for larger homes, and the self-maintenance docking station minimizes manual cleaning tasks. Instead of constantly washing mop pads or untangling brushes, the system automates much of the work for you. Overall, the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete feels like a true next-generation robot vacuum and mop combo. With ultra-powerful suction, intelligent navigation, advanced obstacle climbing, anti-tangle brushes, and premium hot water mop cleaning technology, it delivers one of the most complete automated cleaning experiences available today. If you want a high-end robot vacuum capable of handling demanding cleaning tasks with minimal effort, the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below if you want to learn more or pick one up for your home.